Canon EOS 90D review. Canon proves that DSLRs still have a place in a mirrorless age. Teach reader verdict. If you still prefer DSLRs to mirrorless camera, there's a lot to like about the Canon EOS 90D. Its features packed DSLR with a high resolution sensor and speedy smooth performance. Its deeper grip and other benefit over mirrorless rivals makes it comfortable to use for long periods, while the impressive battery life is a bone too for those who already have Canon glass or are unwilling to make to move to the mirrorless. This snapper is a formidable all-round options. Pros: high resolution image sensor, uncropped 4K over 30p video, ergonomic grip, joystick control. Cons: no image stabilization, default JPEG noise reduction level insufficient. Go to the page. A few years ago, the Canon EOS 80D was one of the best camera around for anyone who needed a mid-range snapper that could go beyond basic shooting without adding pro-level complexity. In fact, it's still a perfectly solid DSLR even today, but in order to make the series relevant in the age of mirrorless cameras, Canon has built something more modern to fill its considerable shoes. That camera is the Canon EOS 90D, perhaps the last aesthetic level DSLR the company will ever make. Launched alongside the Canon EOS M6 Mark II, the 90D plays the traditional strength of DSLR's good handling, long battery life, optical viewfinder, but adds some pretty cutting edge specs. This includes a new sensor that brings a lot more megapixel than the 80D 32.5 MP compared to 24.2 MP, which is helpful for cropping images, plus Canon's latest imaging engine. Like its predecessor, the new camera is user-friendly with a price tag that's also pocket friendly. Its own shares for $11.99 over 1210 euro over $19.59 AU, matching the launch price of the 80D in the US. This makes it a tempting all-around for ambitious beginners and experienced enthusiasts who need a camera that can handle a variety of shooting situations. In short, will the 90D Canon has proven the DSLRs aren't quite ready to kick the bucket yet, and as well as being one of the best DSLR cameras is it's also still one of the best Canon camera available. Features: new 32.5 MP APS-C sensor, face detection when using the viewfinder, uncropped 4K video. At first glance, there's no much physical difference between the EOS 80D and its successor. In innards, however, are burned. Speaking now, with a 32.5 MP APS-C CMOS sensor thinking center stage. Historically, the sensor resolution of most APS-C cameras has topped out at about 24 MP, meaning the 90D and the EOS M6 Mark II with the same sensor offers the highest resolution found in the crop sensor class of cameras. The advantage of having this kind of resolution means you will be able to capture more details while giving you the flexibility to crop an image during post processing, allowing you to zoom in closer to your subject without compromising image quality. While the higher resolution is a welcome boost, it can result in more noise in image shot at higher ISOCs compared to cameras in the same sensor class but lower resolution. This happens because individual pixel